In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner as Kanban board. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into planner.cloud.microsoft. From in there, just proceed to click on the sign in option in order to sign into your account. You can also get Planner for iOS and Android. However, do take note that you need to have a paid subscription in order to get or use this Microsoft Planner, or you need to be under an organization with a paid plan. So proceed to click on the sign in. Into this case, just type right here your email, phone, or Skype that you have. Click on next and enter your password that you wish to use. Now I have in here my actual planner and here are the plans that I have available. So into this case, what you can do is you can just head over and then you can have the option to create a new plan or use an existing plan that you have available. So for example, let's just in here this everyday life plan. Let's click on it. From in there, you can actually see this right there. So what you can do is it's already on the board option, which means that this is what we already call a Kanban board. So for this case, if you wish to actually add right here or change its view, you can click on schedule as well as short view as well as grid view right here. So on this case, since we will use Microsoft Planner as Kanban, it's best to use it as a board. And you can see right here the buckets that we have available, like backlog, up next, and in progress. So on this case, you just need to make sure that you're on the board view and the top of the screen in order to see the Kanban screen layout right here. So with this, you can group by bucket, add new buckets, add some labels, as well as do some things with the tasks that you have available right here. You can just edit it according to your liking as well. So that's all there is today. I hope this video helped you out.